Hey there! So you want to become an ISC2 candidate? Well, you've come to the right place. Here's how to access a long list of benefits on your way to certification. Go to isc2.org/candidate and follow these steps. Step 1. Log in or create an ISC2 account. Step 2. Fill out the application form to register. On the third page of the application, click to read the demographic data statement, privacy policy, and account policy. Then click the applicable checkboxes next to them. Step 3. Once you complete the application, you'll become an ISC2 candidate and land on the candidate benefits page. You'll see instructions on how to access your benefits, including free online self-paced training and an exam. It's important to note, you only get one chance to redeem the free training and exam, so make it count. Certification shows employers that you have the knowledge and skills to succeed in an entry or junior level role. Start your cybersecurity career with a certified advantage. Register today.